I just woke up like this. It's just natural. Little hook. We pull it out when it's in tight. It's finally Halloween. Oh my god, I've been waiting so long for this. I'm so excited to do a get ready with me. I'm going to be sexy Lightning McQueen. My boyfriend's going to be Mater, and it's going to be a matching couples costume. And don't get me started, like I know they're friends, okay? But like friends to lovers, whatever. That's a storyline, okay? I will be honest with you, 30 seconds before I hit record on this, I went on Pinterest and I looked up some makeup looks to do. Maybe a little something like that. My skill level is probably what will prevent us from getting anywhere. Okay, let's just start. I'm in my computer chair. I'm living a life of luxury right now. I learned that one off of a makeup tutorial I watched. I'm lying. I think I will put white eyeliner on my eye. I have not done a good cat eyeliner since I was probably in 10th grade. And I am currently at the ripe age of 23. So it's been such a hot minute. So I'm a little bit scared. Okay, I'm gonna finish this on my own because you guys can't see this. This is embarrassing. Okay, the eyebrows are done. They are okay. This one's kind of dark. Okay, so I found my NYX white eyeliner. I've had this since last Halloween. I'm sure makeup doesn't expire and I'm sure it's fine. Oh, this is not going well. That looks really bad. Does it? It does. Wow. Maybe I'll start in the middle this time. Oh. This is actually a good base to work with. I think I'm going to pack some like red eyeshadow onto this. I'm just gonna do it. I'm just gonna go for it. Okay, I'm a genius. I knew this was going to work out so perfectly. I was never actually worried about it. Okay, a lot of cleanup is needed, but it kind of looks good. I feel actually kind of proud of this. I know it looks bad, but it also looks kind of good. Trust me, I know I look crazy, but that's why I have my trusty Q-tips in micellar water. Not even worried about it. I'm not worried about it. Yeah, I think the wing is kind of where I went wrong. I mean, I'll be honest, how can you go right with that? Like, and also don't worry, I will literally be covering this with like big lashes. Oh my god. I don't know what I'm doing. I forgot I was recording. This is me texting my best friend, my BFF. Ahaha, look at me. I am doing my makeup for my Halloween costume. Like, this is literally the picture I just sent. Okay, where were we? I'm going to put glitter on the inner corners of my eyes because I feel like it's Lightning McQueen. I have so much red. I need some gold. I have this Too Faced, I don't even know what this is. I literally got this, I guess 2018 for Christmas. Look, we're not gonna talk about how long ago that was and how this is probably extremely expired. But it still smells like a gingerbread house, so that's why I keep it. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this gold. Oh, I thought that was gonna do a little bit more for me than it did. It's fine. I look kind of scary. Now I'm going to put black eyeliner on just to give my eyes a little bit of pop. As if like the red and gold glitter wasn't enough. I don't have anyone to impress. I'm just gonna go all out. I don't care. Yeah, that looks good. Yeah. Okay, we're getting somewhere. I definitely need the lashes. Also, this mascara is literally like bone dry right now. Yeah, this is looking cute. This is actually looking really good. I should probably stop doing that though. I know I'm like, God. I know the wings aren't perfect, but honestly, this is like really good. Shockingly enough. Like, this feels good. I'm just gonna do my face and I'm just gonna go for it. Half of these products I've never used before, which could be a good thing, and it might be a bad thing. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I don't know, that seems a little less scary than like foundation. Should I be using a beauty blender? Maybe. Should I have put primer on? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? I guess I'll also add some of this True Match L'Oreal. I don't know what this is. I also probably should have like moisturized, but I really don't think anyone's going to be getting that close to me. Like they better not be. And if they are, they'll probably be drunk. Okay, let's just say it how it is. Now I'm going to use this e.l.f. cream contour. This is also a year old because I got it when I did my Trixie Mattel costume last year, which was pretty good. Contour the nose. I don't know, man. Forehead contour time. Sometimes I wish I didn't record in 4K because I know you're gonna see some breakage on this foundation. This kind of looks good, dare I say? Am I allowed to say that? Wow, she's glowing. I'm not like super into like lipstick and stuff like that, but I do have this lip oil. I do not know what brand this is. I can't read that. I look good right now. Like I have like the big southern hair. I just woke up like this. It's just natural. Whatever, guys. So now I'm gonna tell you what's gonna happen. I'm going to do my lashes, do my hair, and then get dressed. And then we'll be good to go. These are the nasty, disgusting lashes that I will be using. Because do I look like I care that I'm putting dirty eyelashes on my eyeballs? Somehow none of this got on my actual skin. It looks beautiful. There is a God. Thank you. Okay, onto hair. Guys, I'm not even like trying to be like that right now, but this is like the best I've ever done my makeup in my entire life. Like I know like my blush is a little low and stuff, but also I've never looked better. Oh yeah, here are my two little accessories that I'm going to be putting in my hair. I feel like gold is also Lightning McQueen, so I thought it was good. I'll be honest, my hair is like 2 days dirty, but it makes the hair fall a lot nicer and it makes my hair not as frizzy. Okay, time to put these cute little balls on. Does this look stupid? I don't know, maybe. I'll be damned if I let these balls ruin my entire outfit. Okay, how about we just get dressed and then we can see with the entire fit how it looks. Okay, let's get dressed. Are you ready for the final reveal of my entire costume? This is latex, so it's going to be doing that all night. I can't wait. This is outrageous. This is literally my purse for the night. It's a child's like trick-or-treat thing that I got from Spirit Halloween. The flame tights also got from Spirit Halloween, of course, duh. Converse, skirt, top. Does this or does this not scream sexy Lightning McQueen? Be honest with me, I literally need to know right here, right now. I think it does. We got some gold in the hair. We've got so much red, but he's like mostly red. So I think it's fine. And this outfit is actually so comfortable. Like I can shake my ass in it if I need to. I can run if I need to. Possibilities are truly endless. This is perfect. And then of course, since this is a couple's costume, hello, I can't just be Lightning McQueen on my own. I will show you what my boyfriend is wearing. If you watch my last video, I made his entire costume out of cardboard. Like it's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. Okay, look at this. He has to like step into he has to step into this little mater costume here. So here's this little thing, little hook. Unfortunately, I did break off the back tail light, but it's okay. It's on the floor somewhere in here. I'll just put it back on. And then this is the hat. It says camel towing. We pull it out when it's in tight. Mater would love that. Can you tell that we are Lightning McQueen and Mater? God, I hope so. Okay, so clearly like everything is all ready to go. I'm literally so excited. Let's go get some candy and drink. Okay, happy Halloween. Bye.